Hello friends, now to solve this expression, we follow the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operations. Brackets, then O stands for orders, powers and roots, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now here is the expression, we'll break it down by step solution. Now first we solve brackets, solve the inner part first like this. So in this brackets, we have both subtraction and division. So according to BODMAS, division comes first before subtraction. So first 4 minus 4 divided by 4, we do first division. 4 divided by 4 will get 1, and after we'll subtract the values. So 4 minus 1 will get 3. So here the step 1 division takes priority over subtraction, and in step 2 to clear the brackets entirely before moving to the external operation. So finish the operation inside the parentheses. Now the expression becomes 4 divided by 3 plus 4 and then multiply by 4. Now the third step, division and multiplication. Now we have a division, addition and multiplication. So first we perform division and multiplication from left to right. Now first we divide the values. 4 divided by 3 equals to 4 upon 3. Now approximately we get the values in decimal 1.33. Then we multiply the values. 4 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 16. So in step 3, both the division and multiplication have the higher priority than addition. Now the expression becomes 4 upon 3 plus 16. Now finally add the remaining values. So 4 step says 1.33 plus 16 is equal to 17.33, or either you can write it down in the mixed fraction also. So this is the last remaining operation. Now conclusion of this expression, by strictly following the BODMAS hierarchy, prioritizing the division inside the bracket before the subtraction, and then handling the outer division and multiplication before the final addition. Now we arrived at the accurate result 17.33, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.